what it is. And nigga, I'ma do it. This is the remix, bitch. Say this the remix, bitch. They know that I'm shit. Cause I got bitches on my dick. I be driving mama crazy, putting this dick off in the day. Let's say she wanna have my baby. I'm like, oh my fucking God. 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 Oh my
bullets like they sold and I don't give a fuck because I'm in my mode. Yeah, I fucking reload the clock. Oh my God, it's 9 shots and I pop like a rocket. Bitch, you nigga better stop it, cause I am on the hot topic. Magazine, and I don't give a fuck. I make these bitch niggas do the macarene. Yeah, bullets are yum and I don't give a fuck. To your ass up just like it's doing yum. And I don't wanna have to fuck a nigga up because I'm pulling and yelling up to the motherfucking nigga. But nothing up and nigga, I'm sitting out with my niggas. Already know that I'm killing. Already know that I'm spitting it like Vietnam. Now get out. Oh my God, I am slapped.
They know that I'm shit. Oh my fucking God. Cause I got bitches on my dick. Oh my fucking God. I be driving mama crazy, putting this dick off in the day. Let's say she wanna have my baby. I'm like, oh my fucking God. 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 Oh my fucking God.
This beat is bananas, so I'm going bonkers. Threw some gold 24s on a red Tonka. Red bottoms on my feet, boy, I'm looking good. Don't give a fuck about y'all niggas, cause I'm from the hood. I'm straight up out the hood, nigga who got that good. I love the way she suck my dick, that bitch, she do it good. I'm like, oh my God, she slopped on my knob. Bitch, she did her job. Corn on the cob. Bright and early, I'm up and at 'em. It's the early bird, bitch, I got 1,000 thousands. Count that, yeah, count that. Niggas got stacks, get my money back. Nigga, you a pussy, straight rookie. No, I ain't no killer, but nigga, don't push me. I put some change on your head like a toll booth. Nigga, put your whites on, they yelling cold blue.
They know that I'm shit. Oh my fucking God. Cause I got bitches on my dick. Oh my fucking God. I be driving mama crazy, putting this dick off in the day. Let's say she wanna have my baby. I'm like, oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my, do I know what it is? And nigga, I'ma do it. Oh my Nebraska God. It coming up for the children. Oh my fucking God, my nigga, it's what I be giving them. Give me a chick in the back of the lack and I be digging it. You think you better get ready, cause I'm ridiculous. Mr. Nebraska, Holocaust disaster. Fucking nigga be ripping it. You should come make a master. Bring a lot of flow on the trap when a nigga be rapping. Bring the pain, bring the frame when I'm ready for action. Cause if a nigga think they gon' take mine, they get a trip. Everybody be knowing that I be coming the fucking clear. Fucking around with this nigga, ain't guaranteed gon' split. So you better be going ahead and bring your A game shit. So you better get ready, cause I got a machete. Chopping niggas out of the Chevy. Could be thinking they heavy, making the seats. Wetter than leverage, we on the track. They do not know that this is my special cocaine. Every time you were here when I be splitting the shit, keeping it clean, blowing it up like propane. Nigga, you don't exist, nigga, I'm trying to get rich like a bitch with red pussy got flow, man. They be looking at NEB like they ain't feeling me, but like marijuana leaves I grow, man. And on the best of this bitch, so if you testing me, bitch, better bring it on, I ain't running from no man. Goddamn, so go ahead, I'ma go ahead and get it off your bitch. And I don't give a fuck if she can go and suck a dick. And I'ma go ahead and still run with the clear. Better get niggas steady be running with the tree. Pussy get niggas steady be hating the shit. Oh my fucking God, nigga, when I go ahead and bust that bitch. They know that I'm shit. Oh my fucking God, cause I got bitches on my dick. Oh my fucking God, I be driving mama crazy, putting this dick off in the day. Let's say that she wanna have my baby. I'm like, oh my fucking